Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Today in GK session we'll study chapter 12 and chapter 13. Okay, let's go through with the chapter 12, that is official residency. An official residency is the residence where a nation's head of the state, head of the government, governor or other seniors officially reside. Okay, let's go through with it. The first one is the White House. The White House includes 6 stories and 55,000 square feet of a floor space, 132 rooms and 35 bathrooms, 412 doors, 147 windows, 28 fireplaces, 8 staircases, 3 elevators, 5 full-time chefs and a tennis court, bowling alley, a movie theater that is called the White House. It is in Washington DC and is the official residence and office of the President of the United States. Next one is 10 Downing Street. The 10 Downing Street in London, also known colloquially in the United Kingdom as the number 10, is the official residence and the executive office of the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, along with the adjoining Cabinet Office at 70 Whitehall. It is the headquarters of the Government of the United Kingdom. It is in London, England, and has been the official residence of the British Prime Minister since 1735. The next is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India, located in New Delhi, and is one of the most iconic monuments in India. And in terms of area, it is the largest residence of a head of the state in the country. It is the official home of the President of India, which is located at the end of the Rajpath in New Delhi, India. Next is Bellevue Palace. The Bellevue Palace is a 5-star luxury hotel located in the old city of Bern, Switzerland, owned by the Swiss Confederation. It is the state's guest house for visiting heads of the state and the government and is host to dozens of the members of a parliament during the weeks the assembly is in session. It is the official residence of the President of Germany since 1994. It is situated on the banks of the Spree River near the Berlin Victory Column. Next one is Apostolic Palace. It is also known as the Papal Palace, the Palace of the Vatican, and the Vatican Palace itself refers to the building as the Palace of Sixtus V in honor of a pope who built most of the present form of the palace. It is the official residence of the Roman Catholic Pope and Bishop of the Rome, which is located in Vatican City. It is also known as the Papal Palace, Palace of the Vatican, and the Vatican Palace. And the last one is Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace has served as the official London residence of the UK sovereign since 1837 and today is the administrative headquarters of the monarch, although is used for the many official events and receptions held by the Queen. The state rooms at the Buckingham Palace are open to the visitors every summer. It is the official residence and administrative headquarters of the royal family of the United Kingdom. It is located in the city of the Westminster. I hope you love to watch this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.